Welcome to Saskmoto. So I'm leaving to go on an epic road trip to Moab, Utah. It's a beautiful trail. It's called the White Rim Trail, and it's about 100 miles long. And what I'm going to do is take 2 days to do the trail, and I'm going to camp overnight. So most of you have probably seen my last video on moto camping, and in that video I wore a backpack. This time I actually got some soft bag luggage and I wanted to show you. It's called a Wild Heart. These are 25 liters a piece, so a total of 50 liters, and they're stuffed right now with stuff that I'm going to take on this trip. Here's what they look like from the back. And let me tell you, they carry a lot of stuff. Numerous straps all over the place, and I wanted to show you what I'll be bringing on this trip. You see the tank bag from last time? I put that on there. I also added this 1 gallon gas can. I don't think I'll need it. The range on the BMW should be good enough to do the whole trip, but you never know, so I thought I'd bring a little bit more gas. But this is all going to lead up to my Washington BDR trip, which is about 5 days and hundreds of miles and things like that. So this is just a trial run, if you will, and I wanted to show you how I mounted this thing. Made a plate for it, and I attached it to the back frame of the motorcycle. And it is very secure. It's got 4 bolts that bolt it down to the underside of the rack, plus it's got 3 bolts that bolt this down, and it locks and it's very sturdy, doesn't move. So let's get on with showing you everything I have in the bags, and then I'll show you how to take off the bags. It's really easy. Alright, so let's see what I got in here. And by the way, these are waterproof, supposedly. We'll see. I'll do a review on them afterwards. Alright, so first thing is the mattress pad. Got a quilt here. Tire repair kit. This is my mattress inflator in here. Sleeping bag. Sunscreen, you need that. And this backpacking tent. You'll see all of this in action on the trip. So here's the inside of the bag. Actually, it's pretty deep, so there you go. That's one side. All right. It's one of my fluffy jackets. Bug spray. This is my newest addition. It's actually it's not electronics like it says, but I use the bag. It's actually a trauma kit. Has tourniquets, burn stuff, and everything else. So it's one of the essential things that you should carry. Got some other straps here, just in case. Utensils for eating. I don't know if I'll need this, but there's a shovel. Also got a hammer and a saw and all this all in one thing. There's a little mini lantern. This is a basic first aid kit with bandages and stuff that you need. My camp pillow, not inflated, of course. This is the footprint for the tent, just in case. Got a jet boil stove and an extra fuel canister and my nice comfy camping chair that you'll see later. Alright, so here's everything that I am bringing in those 2 bags. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to take these bags off. It's basically 2 straps here. One strap here. One strap here. And it pulls off. There you go. Cool thing about this little plate here too is I can just leave it on there. It's not going to make a difference. There you go.